Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start selling on Depop app. Now, the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is open up our Depop app, and this is what the app looks like. If you don't have it already installed, go ahead and install it on your phone, create an account, and go ahead and open up the app. Now, the homepage is going to look like this here. What you're going to do next is on the bottom hand side, you're going to see an option that says Sell. So you're going to click on Sell. Then you're going to click on Start Selling, or you can set up as a business, but we're going to click on Start Selling. And then the next option is it's going to ask you for your date of birth. So you're going to go ahead and enter your current date of birth, then click on Continue. Next, it's going to ask you for your billing address. So go ahead and type in your billing address on the phone. Next, afterwards, it's going to ask you to confirm your billing address, and then you just need to fill in your first name and last name. So right now I'm typing in my first name. Then I'm typing in my last name, and then I'm typing in my phone number, which is what it also needs. Then you're going to click on Continue. Now, on the next page here, it's going to ask you to activate your Depop balance to get paid. So you can receive Apple Pay, Google Pay, or payments straight to your Depop balance. So we're going to click on Activate Depop balance, and it's going to go ahead and start to load. Now, the next option is that it's going to offer you free boosting. I technically don't really use boosting, but what boosting does is that it helps you reach more buyers, sell items faster, and get access to stats. So with it, we're just going to go ahead and click on Let's Go so you can proceed to the next screen. Now on this page here, you're going to see that you have no active listings. So we're going to go ahead and click on Sell Again. And now it's going to allow us to add photos. It's going to allow us to add a description. You can see that there's info here as far as categories, brands, and condition goes. And then you can set the price as well. Now, from shipping, you can base it off package size or where it's shipping from, and then afterwards, click on Post Listing. So I'd say the main things with Depop in order to have successful listings is that number one, the more photos, the better. Number two, I do recommend you fill out all the info as far as category, brand, and condition goes, and be accurate about your listings as well, because what you don't want to happen is you don't want to, like, let's say a shirt is brand new, but then it looks used. That's just going to lead to refunds or returns down the future, and it'll just lead to more problems on your end. But that's pretty much it, though, as far as how to start selling on the Depop app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.